What's up everyone, this is MoTurtles and today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp keep stopping error on your Android mobile device. So let's get right into this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click into the the WhatsApp app and click into app info. Once you're in here, you want to click into storage and cache and clear the storage. You'll do the cache first, sorry, and then clear storage. Just an FYI, if you were logged in, this might log you out, which means you might need to put your phone number and the code back in to utilize WhatsApp. Not always, but sometimes that happens. The next thing to do is under mobile data usage, this is usually turned off, the unrestricted mobile data usage. You want to turn this on and have this enabled. Then in here, you're going to click into force stop and you're going to basically press OK. This is kind of like a hard reset that does on the app itself, and I would highly recommend you to do that. The next or final thing you want to do is basically press archive. This does like a soft uninstall for the app. It doesn't completely delete it off the phone, but once you do that and reinstall it, again, same thing. You'll have to log back into your WhatsApp account. This usually fixes a lot of these issues that I basically mentioned, so you should not get this stopping error persist on your phone any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please don't up, go on the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm going to turn it out. Peace.